Good morning, dzień dobry. Welcome back to ItsEwelina show, where I sit down and be my imperfect self, where I just sit and talk to you guys, and we both are here to talk to each other, maybe inspire each other, maybe give some value, of course, always give some value. And we'll try to be the most honest I can be, transparent, and also I try not to edit these little talks. So, and we'll see where it goes. Unless I like rumble for a very long time, then you probably want to cut it out. I don't know. We will see. We'll just go with the flow. But first of all, I wanted to thank all of you that support me on this journey, on switching up the videos here on this ItsEwelina channel. It's going to be ItsEwelina show now. And I'm so grateful for all of you that are sticking around, that will stick around. Thank you. I feel like, as people, as humans, we grow and evolve, and you really have to tap into your purpose, and you really have to find the gift and talent that God, universe, source gave you. And when we serve our mission, when we serve it to the world, is when it's pure, it's when it's honest, it's when it's helping others. And I am on this journey. I don't know where this journey will take me. I don't know where it's going, but it's kind of like I was standing on the side of the cliff, and I was thinking which way to go, like what do I do, like, and how do I do this? And they say, don't wait until you're ready. I believe it. Don't wait until you're ready. Just do it, and then the doors will open it up for you. And then so I decided one day that I am just going to jump off this cliff. I'm just not gonna wait until I'm ready, because when am I gonna be ready? I don't know. So why wait? Who knows what's going to happen? There's so many crazy things happen right now in the world. So anyways, I was like, I'm just gonna jump. I'm going to jump and trust then that there is a nest that will nest. No, I think I'm saying it wrong. Net. I think I mean net. Then there is a net that will catch me. And this is the journey. We're taking it on, and I'm taking you with me. We'll see what happens. I have a lot of things that I am manifesting, that I'm trying this whole manifestation and seeing how that works. I'm trusting the journey. I am feeling my intuition and going with the feeling versus the logical mind, which it's been working so far. So I think that's why I am so excited, and like I have so much energy, and I am so in tuned with myself, is because I feel like I'm going into the right direction, and I am completely going into the unknown, and I have no idea. I'm just living in the present. I'm doing the best that I can today, and we will see what happens. Today I went to the beach, and I've been going to the beach, oh my goodness, for the past 3 days I've been going to the beach and just meditating on the beach. It's magical. So if you don't know, I started meditating about 3 months ago here in the quarantine. And I literally forced myself. That was my first step of like tuning in and really trying really hard to find the purpose, to find myself, to heal myself. That was the first step. I was like, I'm going to commit. I am just going to do whatever it takes to find my purpose, because I was so eager to do so. I still am, but I feel like I tapped in somewhere in there. Crazy. So I've been doing this every single day for 3 months. And honestly, for the first 2 weeks, it wasn't that easy. It was not that easy. But I stuck with it. I said so to myself, and I just stuck with it. And honestly, after 2 weeks, I started to notice something. I started to notice the anxiety went away. the worry went away. I was more in peace with myself. And I do it only 10 minutes a day. I literally sit still 10 minutes a day. You stay in stillness, in the present moment. You just breathe and connect to yourself. And I've been doing this now for 3 months, but I've never went to the beach and done it. Like, seriously, I've done it in the past, but I feel like I wasn't really like in tune with it yet. So it was completely different experience. This time around, for the past 3 days, because I freaking love it, I've been going to the beach in the morning, going for a walk, going to the water, and then sitting on the sand very close to the water and meditating for 10 minutes. And oh my gosh, like, it feels magical. Like, I feel so good. I feel like Mother Earth is giving me all this energy, and it's like energizing me. It's like re-energizing myself. It's magic. And I feel like this is literally, I want to give this to you, this energy, this inspiration, these vibes, and also hope, because I feel like I am taking you on this journey with me where I am manifesting a lot of things. I feel like there's a lot of changes that are going to happen in my life in this year, 2020, because it's not over. We have 6 more months or 5 more months to go. I feel like there's going to be a lot of changes, and I am putting it out there, and I will put it out there to you guys, so we'll see what will manifest. It's kind of exciting, it's scary, it's unknown, but I'm doing it. I jumped off the cliff, and now I'm just like going just hoping that there's a net waiting for me somewhere. And yeah, so the meditation, what else did I want to say? So that's been amazing. That's been helping a lot. So honestly, if you are willing, to stick with, I think 21 days is where it's enough time to create any habit or unlearn a habit. So I would give myself, which I did, 21 days to do something every single day, whether it's meditation or something else. But meditating for 21 days, I recommend, because I don't know, it's magic. Like, try it on your own, or let me know in the comments down below if you do meditate, or if you and if you see any difference. Like, when you do meditate, do you feel more grounded? Do you feel more happy? Do you feel more present, and just like little things just don't bother you anymore? Just like, that's how I feel. I feel so grateful, and I feel like so much love for you guys and like everybody around me. It's crazy. It's almost like I want to, I know it sounds crazy, but that's literally how I feel. Like, it's almost like I'm walking around and I'm like, can I help you? How can I help you? Like, can I help you? It's almost like that's what I want to do, because that's how I feel. It might sound crazy, I don't know, but that's literally how I feel. Anyways, I have great news today. I wanted to share this with you because I don't know what's going to happen with that either. So, the American passport, I have an American passport. American passport is valid for 10 years. Well, my passport has expired in 2020. The best year for your passport to expire. So, I went to the passport agency or whatever. I took a picture, sent out the papers. They got the papers. It said March 17th, 2020. Literally 2 days later, March 19th, everything shut down. Mind you, they said that it's going to take 6 to 8 weeks for my passport to arrive. So that's already long, right? For me, like, as a traveler, like, that's already long. And then everything shut down. So I was like, oh, great. Fast forward to today. No. Like a month ago. So it's been March, April, May, June, July, like 4 months since I've been waiting for the passport. So like a month ago, I was like, what the heck? Because everything started to open up. Not the borders, but everything else started to open up. So I was like, okay, I want to go somewhere during the summer. I always travel somewhere. And so I called them and I was like, hey, like, I apply for the passport. When do you know anything, you know, when I'm going to get it? He's like, no, I don't know. I don't know if it's gonna a month from now or 6 months from now or maybe next year. He's like, I completely know nothing. He's like, we just don't know because of the COVID. I was like, okay. Okay. I was like, all right, I just have to give it to the universe. And this is what's so crazy too. So at some point when I was dreaming, which our dreams tell you a lot. So if you can, write them down and truly go deep within to understand what they might mean. It's very, very interesting. There was some kind of dream I had, and I remember waking up and saying July 22nd, by July 22nd, by July 22nd. I don't know why. And for some reason, when I kind of like sat in meditation, I was like, what does that mean? And it kind of like, my intuition told me that I'm going to get this passport by July 22nd, because I was like, I don't know when I'm gonna get this passport and if I can even travel and the borders are open and whatnot. Oh my goodness. So today, literally today, which is July 13th, 14th, I got an email saying that my passport is sent and I'm going to get my passport. I was like, oh my God, I did not expect that. I didn't even know I'm going to get it. I almost expected it not to get it for the rest of this year, but now I'm getting it literally within 2 days. I'm going to have my passport. And I have nothing booked. I don't even know what borders are open. Do you guys know? I know that European Union, you guys can travel within European Union, but can anyone fly in? Like, can I fly in? Can I go to Mexico? I would love to go to Tulum. Would love to go to Tulum. Tulum is magical. And it's not that far from me either. So Tulum or Europe, I would love to go see, you know, Poland. I would vlog for sure. I'm going to try to make these videos every day because it's helping me to practice speaking to you guys. And honestly, oh my goodness, I thought it was something there. And honestly, this is also like a little example. I'm giving you an example that if I can do this, if I can turn on this phone and just talk to you guys about whatever is on my mind, I want to inspire you to do the same. If this is what you want to do, if you want to make YouTube videos, if you want to paint, if you are artistic, if you sing, if you play an instrument, if you draw, if you cook, I don't know, anything that you love to do, I encourage you to start now, not wait for anything. And if you were waiting for the sign, this is the sign. I am telling you, start now. Do not wait another day. Nothing's going to change if you wait a day or a week or a month or when you have money or when this or when you have a different job or what. No, just start now. Start now. I'm telling you, I feel it. I feel something. I'm like going into this. It's almost like the way I imagine, it's like I'm going into this like dark hole. But it's almost like with the trust in my heart of like, it's going to be okay. You don't know what's on the other side, but it might be way better than like here sitting in this comfort zone and doing the same thing over and over, which when you do the same thing over and over, don't expect different results. And that's another thing with my Polish videos and stuff. I appreciate all of you and I love teaching you guys. But at some point I felt like I want to, I felt like I'm not having that much fun with it anymore. And I don't want to just do something when I'm not having as much fun, because I feel like you guys are going to feel it and it's just not going to be like honest and pure. And again, I'm not saying I will make Polish videos. I will go to Poland. All of that. I'll make Polish vlogs and stuff when I can, but I need to fulfill myself so I can, share it, so I can give it to you. And if I'm doing something that I don't like or it's not fulfilling me, well, it's hard for me to like share it. I hope you know what I mean. Anyways, I think, oh gosh, see, I was rumbling a lot, so I think I'm going to finish this for now. And thank you so much for sticking around. Thank you so much for watching these videos. If you enjoy it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you would like to tell me some topics that you would like to talk about, or if you would like to tell me how are you feeling today, or maybe where are you from, I would love to get to know you a little bit better. Or maybe where are you on your spiritual journey? Do you meditate? Anything you want to tell me. I am so excited. I am so excited for this new journey for me, and I want to inspire you to do the same, and that is my intention. So on that note, I'm going to finish this, and thank you so much. Dziękuję bardzo for watching me, supporting me, and I will see you hopefully tomorrow. Cześć.